How to see Google Forms responses. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you will be able to see the responses done on the Google Forms that you have created. It's very simple. You're going to see over here on the top part, you have your questions and responses. Selecting responses will allow you to view the responses on your Google Forms. For me, as you can see, I have one response. You can view the summary of your responses like the insights, have questions over here, and individual results as well. So if I answer it right now, give it a wrong answer, click on submit. As you can see, there will be two responses available right now and you will be able to see the results as well. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.